One shots everything. Run, 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 I'm not gonna use it yet, though. Welcome back to Doom. I'm Jake, and it sounded like the audio or the game audio was a little bit too loud in the last video, so I cranked it down a little bit. So hopefully that's better. If it's not, I'll fix it in the next episode. But this is Level 2, Know Your Enemy. Got some sweet little sparks flying around because, you know, it's hell. So you gotta have the fire. Incoming voice comm. Vega.
I am Vega, the sentient intelligence assigned to Mars. After running diagnostics on the Praetor suit, it appears that I can activate optional challenges that when completed...
Give me them challenges, baby. Give them to me.
Pace. I have added a tracking component to your dossier.
Thank you, Vega. Look at that sexy map. Can I go? Alright, let's go kill some more shit. Is the game dark? Maybe I should lighten it up a little bit. Settings, game. I don't see the option. Video, maybe? I don't know what field of view means. Did I just not save that shit? Do you want to keep this? Yes. Is that better? Is it still dark as fuck? That's a bit better. He'll be fine. If you read the description of this pistol, it's pretty cool. It's not even shooting actual bullets. It's like hardened gel. That's cool. Cool concept, I like it. 10 out of 10. Speaking of ratings, I saw IGN gave the game a 7.1. What the fuck, IGN? Are you high? You're giving Call of Duty 8s and 9s, you're giving this game a fucking 7? Because this doesn't cater to the COD fanboys? Y'all can go suck a dick. This is the best shooter I've played in a long ass time. Because it feels like an actual damn shooter. Even the multiplayer is good. It doesn't have me raging like COD does. Even though Infinite Warfare, fuck Infinite Warfare. I just want Call of Duty 4. That's gonna be some good shit. Reset that power. Open up the main windows. Look at that satellite. That's sexy. Hello, Olivia Pierce. You're an ugly bitch. Get up here. I think there's some armor up here, maybe? There's something up here. Don't remember what it is, though, and it was armor. How do I get up? Right here.
My sisters and brothers be thankful.
I'm not thankful for shit. You're a whore and you're nasty.
Alongside them just as I will.
Open up these stairs for me. Let me get down here. Gotta whoop some ass. If you're gonna talk shit about me wasting ammo on those little guys, fuck you. I don't want to sit here 5 minutes trying to kill them with a fucking pistol because it shoots so damn slow and doesn't do shit. I'll find ammo. Ammo. This isn't fucking Resident Evil. Ammo's not hard to come by. I can just shove my knee through someone's face and get a bunch of ammo. Oh yeah, there's some health right there. Can I get up here? Yep, I can. Oh, I fell. No! Shit. That would be... There we go. And there we go. I forgot where to go from here, though. Shit. There's a secret up here somewhere. I don't know how to get to it. I'm not really playing a dumbass. I don't remember. Fuck it. I ain't even care. Okay. I think that room's clear for the most part. Let's rip this door open with our superhuman strength. Fuck that guy with his exploding shit.
Demonic presence.
We're about to get one of the most powerful weapons in the game. Already. The only bad thing is that it runs out of ammo so damn quick. I just gotta get out of this room. And what the fuck is back here? Where'd you even come from? Didn't even see you. Give me those goodies. Give me those goodies. There's shit back here? Health. I'm already at max health. Something just pegged me. Oh, it's you. No. Bad. I don't like you. You're not nice, and you're not gonna fuck yourself. Just like that. Oh, take a knee to the head, right in the temple. I exploded your head with my knee. How was that? Punch your shit.
Demonic presence eliminated. Lockdown dissipated.
Demonic presence eliminated. And here she is. One shots everything. I'm not gonna use it yet though.
Talk to your supervisor to see if you meet the requirements for this year's soul harvest.
I might use it in this room when it clears out a little bit. If I just use it now, I'm gonna get shot at. Dismiss that shit. I don't want you taking up the damn screen. Get out of here. Grenade your ass. Blow up fucking everything. I wonder if when I kick them in the back like that, I just... Oh, I'm almost dead. No thank you. No thank you. I'm almost dead. Fuck. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me, bro. Leave me alone. I'm leaving. Fuck you all. This health is still over here, I think, isn't it? Yes, it is. Give me that. I just ran right into that shit. Got more health for me? Oh, I got some ammo. There you go. Chainsaw. Oh, yeah. Whenever you use your chainsaw, they drop a shit ton of ammo for like everything. Also, why that weapon's awesome. Not only does it kill everything in one hit, even the big ass demons, but it also drops ammo for you. There's more ammo for adult, actually. Come on. Give me my armor. Take me back up. Probably should have showed the hologram first, just to show how that works. Oh shit! That would have killed me. So this door is locked. I need the yellow key card. I do this. It shows a hologram of who has the key card. So this little fucker right here has the key card. So I gotta follow him. He went in there. I can't go in there. Gotta go up here, around. Wait for this thing to come through so it doesn't smash me. Ow! Okay, I think these doors are locked. Yep.
Access denied. Yellow security clearance required.
Rip open some more doors. Hey, buddy. Oh, there's a gore nest down here.
Demonic presence at unsafe level. Lockdown in effect.
Never really clear what the gore nests are. I don't think they're portals, actually. They might be. But, the demons, those guys, will bring gore, hence the name gore nest. They'll bring dead bodies and gore to this thing, and it gives it power. And basically, in the description, it says it's basically an umbilical cord to the powers of hell. It's fucking brutal. We can rip its heart out and kill some demons. And then when you do that, demons go apeshit. They don't like when you destroy their umbilical cords to hell. So they want to come and fuck me up since I just did that. But I'm not the one that's going to get fucked up. They are. Those people keep spawning on my head like that. Get out of here. Oh, I'm missing. Can't be missing in Doom. I make every shot count. Give me something. Oh, that's a little bit of health. That's fine, I guess. I see you chucking shit at me. You can get some too. That grenade gonna kill him. Oh shit! Give me that sweet health. Got some more for me? A little bit. I'm fine with that. You wanna give me some too? No love. Fine. You got fucked. No, no, and no. And definitely no. Get out of here.
Demonic presence eliminated.
And the demonic presence is eliminated. Hello, Mr. Holographic zombie demon. Come on, elevator. I need you. Is there any shotgun shells around here? I am dangerously low on ammo. Nothing? Nothing for me? Fine. Your ass. Whenever you do a big drop like that, it says impact compensation. But I don't know if it actually does anything, because I never pay attention to my health whenever I drop like that. Let's slowly go up the elevator. There's another droid, so I can upgrade some shit. I think right now, I can just get the charge shot. Because all I have is the shotgun. But I just figured this out recently. You can actually still change your things. Like that. Press up on the D-pad, you can change them. It actually tells you right there. I just didn't see that before. It's great. It's a good thing I read stuff. Hey buddy. You're dead. Entry. Oh, fuck you too then. Okay. Guess we just gotta go back now. Go back down this slow ass elevator. Man, you're slow. Come on. We got shit to do. Demons to kill. Is this door open now? No. Did I fuck something up? Because last time I came through in this game, that shit was open. I might have fucked something up, I just don't remember.
Access granted.
Let me in this room. Is that no heart? Yeah, there it is. Let me open that shit. Hello. Ow. Yes. Give me that chip. You guys are pegging me down here. Oh my god. I must have hit that thing. It didn't explode though, so that's lucky. Where? Okay, so it's not there. Where's my other gun at? There's a gun somewhere around here, I think. There it is. We're an achievement! Look at that! Thorough Shopper. Complete all challenges for a single mission. Well, hot damn. I guess I've never done that before. Thought I have, but I guess not. Forgot how to get out of here. Can I just jump up here? Did I fuck up? Can I get out of this? I can get... Okay. What the fuck? Am I stuck? Oh, no, here. Now I'm back up here. We can go through here. So let's shotgun. So I have the key card, so I can go through here now.
Access granted.
Welcome to the UAC's Mars.
And another gun. Look at that. Just finding guns left and right.
This high-tech mining and research facility is pushing the boundaries of the
Covered in
imagination
blood. I'm okay with
every
that.
day. As a valued employee, your loyalty is more than just a commitment to the UAC.
Here's a health station.
Commitment to the future of mankind. Thank you for your service.
I think there was a health station back there with the chainsaw too, but I forgot to get it. Can I go through here? Oh, I gotta open the shit. Checkpoint reached. Airlock open. Hello, everybody. Hope you're all ready to get fucked. That's what's happening. Oh man, I need the scope for this thing. I need another droid in my life right now. Already almost out of ammo with this thing. Hello, buddy. Yep. Still ain't dead. Yes. Now that guy with the shield, for me, is like the hardest enemy I've fought so far. Like harder than big ass demons. My weakness is a fucking shield apparently. Unless I'm in berserk mode and I can just punch his ass into pieces. Punch a hole in your chest. Man, y'all getting fucked on. Why's the imp crying? 'Cause he just got fucked on. Y'all go. Oh, it's gone. My power up. The power up is no more. Fuck. You fucking spider monkey, get down here. Got any more shit for me? No. Bum 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 bum. Since I haven't done it much, I'll just chainsaw a bunch of shit for y'all. Just chainsaw. I need ammo too, I guess. Back here. Back here. I'll still try to power that shit up. I don't want that. Get that out of here. No. I don't want that. I don't want you either. Hello. Goodbye. Let me in this shit. Oh, another slow ass elevator. Just teabag nothing while we're waiting on the elevator. Anything good up here? Ammo. Dead body. Dead body is always fun. You just slam your dead hand. Wait a second. You have a glove on. How the hell did that recognize your fingerprints?
I'm blocking your access to the facility.
Don't block my shit, Samuel Hayden. What the hell do you think you're doing?
What you need.
God, you're an asshole. Alright, we will continue this level in the next area. Or in the next... We will continue this level in the next episode. God, it's late. Can't talk. Thanks for watching.